Hi, I'm Bud Childs. My wife and I own these 50 acres of organic blueberries that we call Jubilee Orchards. You know, there's a lot of confusion these days about climate, about whether it's real or whether it's not real, and to me, science is no joke. But I don't need every scientist on the planet to tell me that climate issues are a problem. Because every single day out here at Jubilee Orchards, I get to see for myself that it's real as can be. We're accustomed to challenges here at Jubilee, but this is a whole nother level of challenge. Case in point, normal rainfall here in North Florida is about 4 inches in December. This December we had over 25 inches of rain. Well, all that rain creates tremendous problems. It washes away soil, it washes away pine bark in our blueberry rows. We have to spend a lot of time fixing roads and filling in areas where this erosion has occurred. My goal here in talking to you about these climate issues is not to get sympathy. I learned a long time ago, being around politics, that if you want sympathy, you should get a dog. My goal is for us to see that we each have a role to play in protecting this environment that we have. For us, that means growing organically, to grow without pesticides and herbicides and fungicides. It means conserving water. It means really working hard to improve the health of our soil so that we can pull as much carbon dioxide out of the air as possible and put it back into the soil where it belongs. For you, it could mean paying more attention to how your household waste gets taken care of, using solar panels, composting, turn your thermostat up or down in winter. There are so many things that each of us can do to take care of nature. What kind of people would we be if we harm her?